Hi, I'm Steve Shore with HealthReformQuotes.com. We are here to help you get into the best plan available under healthcare reform and, of course, to help our clients that we've had for the past 30 years at SteveShore.com. In the comment section of this video, I'll put in links to the relevant websites and so forth. What I'm going to discuss on this video is the premium tax subsidy. And the premium tax subsidy, and I'll put a link in the comments to the table. So you can either go by this table or you can simply go on to the Covered California site. And when you do that, be sure to put in, if you do apply, our name and agent number. So we'll have that posted in the comments too as soon as we get that from Covered California. It's kind of hectic getting everything going for October 1st. So when you look at this chart, let's just say the person that's single. So the single person that makes less than $15,000, they'll be able to get into Medi-Cal. In the past, it was harder to get into Medi-Cal. Now it'll be pretty easy. You just show you make less than $15,000 and it's done. What they've also done to make Medi-Cal easier to get into is that you can fill out the same application that everyone else does for health insurance. It's just when Covered California sees it's less than $15,000, you'll get in. So let's say you make less than $45,000. Now I'm kind of rounding, so I know when you look at these numbers, it'll say 45,960, but let's just go with 45. It's simpler. So if you make anywhere between $15,000 and $45,000, you'll get subsidies. And there's a long, complicated formula for that, about 9.5%, and then 8% for affordability. I find it easiest just to put the numbers into the link for Covered California. And you get there by going to our site and then just clicking on the icon for Covered California. So basically there's Medi-Cal if you're making less than 138% of federal poverty level. At one time, 133% was a big key number, but they're not really using that anymore. So let's say for the individual, if you're making, between 139 and 200% of federal poverty level, so that would be between 16,000 and 22,000. So there, if you get the silver plan, they've got enhancements to it, and I'll have posted on my website exactly where you can see what those are. They have them on Covered California, but the way that Covered California displays it this time, it's kind of hard to navigate through, but you can see that. And then, of course, if you're making more than that, you don't get the enhanced silver, but you do get the subsidies. And the easiest way to see how much the subsidy is to simply use their calculator. Now, at the bottom of this page where I have the income and the charts and so forth, I put up some samples. So let's say you're 22, you make 22,000, you're 25 years old. With HealthNet, their silver enhanced program is a normal price of $176. So if you're making a lot of money but you want to buy that program, you would pay $176. But if you're only making $22,000, you get an $80 tax credit, and then your net premium is $96. And I'll do another video to explain about the advanced premium tax credit and whether you want it in advance or just as a tax return. If you scroll down, you see if you get the Anthem Bronze, it's $163 regular price, but with the credits of $80, that makes it $83. And then you can click, on these icons here and go right into Covered California, and then, do the things. Just be sure to put in our name, Steve Shore Insurance, and, that way we'll get the credit and we can be your agent. If you scroll on down a little farther, you'll see where if you really don't know what your annual income is, but you know you're making, let's say, $15 an hour and you work 40 hours a week, it's already multiplied it out for you at 31,000. But if you're only working, 20 hours a week, it's going to be 15,600, which will qualify you for Medi-Cal. So feel free to call us, ask us questions, send us an email, and however we can help you, we're happy. Thanks.